My name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. What's the best color for a Corvette? Resale red. And look what we got here. Red inside and out. It was born this way. This is a numbers matching car. It's a 327, 300 horse, 4-speed, 336 posi. It was a frame-off restoration a few years back. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can find all the prices on about 200 collector cars. We have pictures of each car top to bottom and a full description. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the videos, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon. That way you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, we got a red Vette, tops down. Let's go for a spin. Okay, gentleman just traded this car in. He bought from us a 66 427 Corvette Roadster. He's a Corvette guy. He's owned this car for 26 years. When he bought it, it just completed a complete body off frame, full restoration when he bought it 26 years ago. He's taken excellent care of it. My impression when I studied the car yesterday, just a good, clean, honest car. Everything fits nice. It's a nice car. It's a car I would own personally. But anyway, he put about 1,000 miles a year on it. So he did enjoy the car, took care of it. And probably the best thing for it is get it out and use it. He said gave him like no trouble at all. Underneath the car, it's not a, it was frame off, but it's not a car that we would put mirrors under. It's not detailed, for concourse, but everything's clean and respectable. Nice solid frame. The fiberglass floors are in real nice shape. Nothing looks hokey or zip tied or goofy. Everything looks proper. Front end components all look good. It is 4-wheel disc brakes. It is front and back independent suspension. He did replace the spring in back and the bushings. I think the sway bar bushings up front looked like they were new as well. You look up at the motor, nice, clean Chevy orange motor. You can see the lower ignition shielding is still in place. It has the original style starter. It has the original Muncie M20 4-speed transmission. The rear end is the original 336 posi rear end. Has the factory style exhaust system. The mufflers and tailpipes are new. The spare tire carrier, that's all there in real nice shape. So underneath the car is very much proper, intact, and clean. This paint job is over 26 years old, and it's held up really well. The body is excellent. I didn't find any damage. The gaps around the headlights, around the hood, up here, this whole vacuum door assembly, all that fits as good as I've ever seen. Doors, the lid here, all the gaps are really nice. He has the world's smallest trunk here. Actually, it's a new gas cap, it looks like. The bumpers were re-chromed during restoration. They sit nice and level. License plate frame, emblems, tail lights, all that's in really nice shape. It does have a retro stereo and a power antenna. All this body's in real nice shape, no damage, no body work that's showing through. And if it's held up this long, you're in good shape. Nothing's going to develop once you buy it. Mirror is mint. The trim is exceptionally shiny. The windshield's crystal clear. And again, all of this fits really nice. If you look for it, right on this very peak, there's some hairline cracks. No damage, just hairline cracks right here. And the paint is beautiful. It's glossy. Standing here, I would say it's perfect. But it's not perfect. If you are studying it, you'll find a piece of dust or a minor, like here's a little, nope, that wiped off. Tiny little rock chips there. The whole nose is real nice. And all the chrome down here, the grill, the bumper, all nice and shiny, and it fits straight. When you get a Corvette like this, stand back and look and see if anything's twisted or out of line. This one's really good. There's a couple hairline cracks at the corner around the headlight. I mean, they're small. It looks like eyelashes laying there in the paint. The wheels, the Firestone tires are not worn at all. The wheels have new trim on them. They're the 15-inch Corvette Rally wheels. The car sits real nice. The rocker moldings are really nice. So why don't we pop the hood and take you inside the car. Okay, look at the door jamb, how it's just neat and tidy, painted nice, the weather strip's nice. Look at that door panel. Usually they're beat up around the edges or have cracks in the armrest, but the door panel, all the trim on the door panel is real nice. And up in the front door jamb there, you have the data tag, which I did decode it. It is a factory red car with red interior. Now coming across the dash, nothing's broken. I don't see any cracks. The dash pad's slightly faded, a little bit of orangish color, but it's in really nice shape. This whole center section's beautiful. The gauges and lenses are clear. It is an aftermarket stereo, but it fits right in the factory hole. This whole heater control panel, this is all nice. Correct shifter with the reverse lockout. Steering wheel's in excellent shape. The vents are nice. The carpets are nice. They're also slightly faded. They have an orange tint to them a little bit, but the carpets front to back are excellent. This door panel's just as nice as that side over there. The interior lights work. I had a talk with the owner that I got it from because he's owned it a long time. I was asking him, what are the quirks? And I said, I noticed the clock don't work. He said, actually it does. It's unplugged, so you don't kill the battery. But he says everything works in the car. Now behind the seat, they did mount a couple speakers. I've never seen them mounted there. It's actually a good idea. It's a nice out-of-the-way place. The center console here is not broken. It does have nice red GM seat belts. You got the convertible top in excellent shape. The rubber is all soft. Again, it's just not beat up. Interior light works back here. This is an aftermarket jack and lug wrench. And I do believe in this compartment here, we got some neat stuff. It's a reproduction window sticker, owner manuals, and we've just scored. We got some cassette tapes here. Those will go with the car. Shania Twain, there you go. And the light even works in that compartment. So I'm around a lot of cars. A lot of times this plastic is cracked or broken, and this car is just really nice. It truly is. Look at the hardware under here, how nice and clean it is. Visors are nice. Why don't we check out under the hood? This is the numbers matching 327 300 horse. We check the casting codes on the back. We look closely at the stamp pad, line up dates, the original motor. All the stock components, the valve covers, manifolds, the right fuel filter. This is a reproduction chrome air cleaner lid, but it's a correct reproduction. You have the original ignition shielding. You got the expansion tank, the shroud, the clutch fan. Everything is proper. He's had the alternator rebuilt. So just a nice, clean, tidy motor compartment. Looks the way it should. Again, not abused, not cut up, not altered. And the car runs smooth as can be. So there you have it. Gorgeous red on red, numbers matching 4-speed Corvette Roadster. Has investment potential, but I really believe this is a good, honest car that's going to treat the next owner really good. So that's my impression. You can go to volocars.com. There's plenty of ways to reach out to the salesman. If you have questions or concerns, make sure you talk to them. They'll help you the best they can. And if you're interested in shipping, they can help you with that. They can help you with financing. If you enjoy our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. That way you'll be the first to see the next one that's posted. Thanks for watching.